What's up, my guys and goddesses? It's your boy EgyptGodAnubis here, and I am back with another how-to video. Today we are talking about starting a YouTube gaming channel. These are going to be a few tips that I'm going to have for you guys. If you follow these tips, you will have a successful YouTube gaming channel. But before we get into the video, I'd like to give a shout out to the notification squads. I'd like to thank y'all for coming through. Every time I upload a video, make sure you hit that like button and you comment. If you want to get a shout out on the next video, make sure you do the same thing. With that being said, let's hop into the video. So these steps right here, guys, are going to help you develop your YouTube gaming channel as you getting started. These is just going to be a few steps. It's not going to be hard. As long as you follow these steps, you're going to have a successful channel. So with the first step, being a gaming YouTuber, you have to bring your all. What I mean by that, you have to be the most important part on your channel. Make sure you are the star of the channel and not the game you playing. Most of the people are going to come for you, your personality, and that's it. They gonna come for the game, but the only way they gonna stay is because of your personality. If you have a personality, people is going to come, they going to stay, and that's what you want right there. So step number 2, guys, what you want to do is research some games. By answering the gaming question that no one else knows about, it'll make your channel even better, because that's what people gonna come for. If you have a gaming channel that answer a whole bunch of how to do these questions and how you make this happen, and you do the research and find out how to do that things and make videos about it, people gonna come to your channel first before they go to any other YouTuber. Alright, so step number 3, make sure you find a game that you are passionate about. Make sure you have a game that you're going to be playing for a while, because once you get the fan base from that game, they're going to keep on wanting to watch that same game that they came to enjoy when they first clicked that subscribe button. So make sure it's a game that you can come up with how-to videos and tips and things like that when you making videos. If you have that, make sure you are very, very passionate about that game, because you're going to be playing that game for a while. The fans base going to love it. They going to love you for playing it. Make sure it's a game you want to play. Which leads me to step 4, guys. Stick to that one game for a period of time, so your audience know that they are coming every day to the same game that they wanted to see, that they wanted to enjoy. Make sure you stick with that one game. That's what they want to see. Make sure that's what they see. So step number 5, guys, make sure you have a good gaming setup. Mostly like a good webcam, a microphone, or some recording program that you can use. I'm gonna have a list in the description, and it's gonna show you all the things that I use far as equipment wise. Everything I have is not high priced at all. Everything is good. I love the camera, I love the mic that I use, and I use OBS to record all my videos. That's all you need. Like I say before, I'm gonna have a list of what I use in the description at the bottom. And step number 6, make sure you have a great thumbnail, because there's going to be a lot of creators talking about the same game. So make sure that yours stand out. You got to make sure you have a good thumbnail. If you have a good thumbnail, people are going to click on your video. Trust me. Make sure you spend a lot of time on your thumbnail. Make sure it looks good. Make sure it's all correct. Make a good thumbnail. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get a lot of views on your video. Which leads me to step 7, guys. Make sure you make a great title. If you put 1 and 1 together, you're going to get 2. So if you have a great title and a great thumbnail, you're going to get a lot of views. I mean, that's just how YouTube is now. If you have the thumbnail, and if you have the videos and the titles all hooked up together, you're gonna get views regardless. It don't matter if you have a small channel or a big channel. If you have them 3 things all together working together, you're gonna get a lot of views, and that's what you're working towards. You working towards getting views, getting subscribers, building your channel up. Alright, step number 8. If you're going to have a gaming channel, you must have an intro hook. Just like your favorite YouTubers, they have an intro hook. I mean, you know it. You probably say it every time you go to their channel or something like that. Make sure you have an intro hook for your channel. That way when your subscribers come in and your fan base come in, they'll know when you about to start the video, because you say the same intro that they enjoy so much. So that's step number 8. Make sure you have a good intro. And the last and final step, guys, is to make sure that you have fun. You got to have fun when you're making these videos. You got to have fun when you're going making these channels. If you having fun on your videos, it's going to show. The more it shows, the more people are going to enjoy you, the more people are going to subscribe, the more people are going to view your videos. So that's my last and final step on final number 9. Make sure you have fun while you making this YouTube channel, on this YouTube channel journey. Make sure you have fun. But with that being said, before I get out this thing, I want you guys to ask yourself one thing. Why would you go to YouTubers you like now? Ask yourself that one question, find out, go from there, and I think you're gonna have a good time on YouTube making you a gaming channel. But with that being said, I'm about to get ready to get out this thing. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. If this video helped you out, leave a like, some comments at the bottom, and I'll get at y'all in the next video. I'm out this thing. Peace.